Fire ritual is one of the important aspects in Hindu Dharma. Whoever performs the Homa, that is the fire ritual, with devotion would be blessed with all the material comforts, wealth, happiness, and harmony in marital life. All the living beings are brought into this world to lead a happy life and to fulfill the obligations entrusted to them as per their karma. The important items basically required for performing the fire rituals are twigs of pipal tree, fuchsia tree and white madder tree. Now you are seeing the twigs of these trees. Cooked white rice. This is called pongal, that is sweet rice. This is again a sugar rice. This is milk. This is called Purnahadi. The Purnahadi consists of copra and fragrant items, darba grass. This is the camphor. Puffed grain. Hirati grass. Ghee, that is the clarified butter. You will see lotus flower. Prior to commencement of Homa Puja, that is a fire ritual, it is inevitable to perform puja to Lord Ganesha, who is the savior of all, and praying to him will help you to perform the fire ritual without any hindrance. Now you are seeing the names of people who have enrolled themselves for the homas, their names being engraved in the copper sheet. So what is the purpose of this? It represents that the persons who have enrolled themselves for the Homa are physically present in receiving the divine grace. So the blessings and the grace of performing this Homa will reach them without any hindrances. You can see now the priest performing the Homa to Lord Ganesha. The Ganesha is made of turmeric powder mixed with water.
अनंतादिनमः ओम गाम वासुकिने नमः ओम गाम दक्षकादिनमः ओम गाम कारकोटकादिनमः ओम गाम शंखबालादिनमः ओम गाम कुलिकादिनमः ओम गाम अधर्मादिनमः ओम गाम अज्ञानादिनमः ओम गाम वैराग्यादिनमः ओम गाम अनैश्वर्यादिनमः ओम गाम राजसादिनमः ओम गाम कामचादिनमः ओम गाम सात्विकर्मवर्णिमनन्दनं भवदादिनमः कारोकिने माउदादिनमः
You can see the list of names of people who have enrolled for this Homa. These names will be determined to the deity These people will be receiving the divine grace and blessings of the deity. You can see the names and as well as the birth star of the people who have enrolled for the Homa. The puja is being done to Lord Kubera. You can see the Kubera there. And the energy received from Lord Kubera is being transmitted to the fire ritual pit. The priest is showing several mudras and seeking the energy from Lord Kubera for performing the Homa to him. While performing the puja, the priest rings a bell to eliminate the negative forces of the demons. It also sends a message to others that some puja has been performed. Others can also concentrate and focus on the puja.
योपां पुष्पं वेदां पुष्पवान् प्रजावाहन् विषमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं पुष्पवान् प्रजावाहन् विषमान् भवति वेदोक्तं पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि प्रार्थ्य मूलमन्त्रं.
There are different mantras that has to be chanted for different homas. Now you can see the Homa pit, that is the fire ritual pit, where all the items regarded for the deity will be submitted. The priest is offering ghee. All the fragrant and herbal items which are offered to Lord Agni, that is the god of fire, in the Homa Kunda is good for health. Since the smoke comes out of the Homa Kunda possesses some herbal properties, as a result when you inhale it cures some disease also. This has also been scientifically proved.